This is all coming from my heart, coming from my heart. And you know, in the movie, I ain't no retard. I ain't no retard, but you tell me I am. And you know for real what I'm doing to you, man. I had to switch up. I had to switch up the flow. You know for real what's happening to me, bro. What's happening is the ghost taking over my body. And you know for real what I'm saying to you. What I'm saying to you is I'm your killer. And you tell me that I'm doing the Thriller. But I don't like Michael Jackson. I don't like Michael Jackson. And you know for real what I'm doing. What I am doing, talking smack. Because I'm not talking fake. And you know for real what's happening, G. Drake. What's happening every time I get on the track. You start crying because you say I got what you don't need. I got what you don't need. And you know for real that I'm going. I got the best flow that you will ever see. And you know for real, I'm a white guy, G. I'm a white guy. Maybe if I get what you talking some real, you say, what am I about to do? And you know for real that I be saying stuff that you don't need to know, but you know for real that I am a pro. I am a pro every day. That's why I wear the white. You know what I do every day is I fight for what I believe in, fight for what I believe in, and you know for real, me and my brothers come up with this discussion, and you know for real we think the government is disgusting. Alright, you guys, don't forget to like this, favorite this, share this, do whatever you can do to get this out there. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Shout out my brother Jake, my brother Joe. Make sure you guys check them out on YouTube. Alright.